Hello everybody, once again welcome to my channel. In this video I will share a very interesting trick of finding trigonometry values using fingers. Earlier you used to forget finding trigonometry values. You used to forget in the middle of the exam, but now you will not forget in the middle of the exam. Let us see what is the trick. So we have our left hand and we will put it in this way. First, let us assign the values from the little finger 0, 30, 45 and 60 and then 90. So 90 is thumb and 0 is the little finger. So let us see how we will find sign. The square root of fingers below divided by 2. So sign 0, first we'll see how many fingers are there below 0. So there isn't any finger. So sign 0, square root of 0 divided by 2, which gives us 0, because square root of 0 is 0. Now sign 30, square root of how many fingers are below 30? One finger. The square root of 1 divided by 2, which gives us half, because square root of 1 is 1. Now sin 45 is square root of 2, because below 45 there are 2 fingers. We find square root of 2 divided by 2. Now we can write 2 as square root of 2 multiplied with square root of 2. These square root 2, square root 2 gets cancelled out. We get 1 by square root of 2. So sin 45 is 1 by square root of 2. Now sin 60 is below 60, how many fingers are there? 3. 1, 2 and 3. Square root of 3 divided by 2. So sin 60 is square root of 3 divided by 2. Now sin 90 is, there are 4 fingers below 90. Square root of 4 divided by 2. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 by 2 gives us 1. The sin 90 is 1. Now let us see how to find cos by using fingers. First let us assign the values. So cos is fingers above divided by 2. First let us find cos 0. Above 0, how many fingers are there? 4. So we find square root of 4 divided by 2. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Now cos 30 is, there are how many fingers? Above 30, there are 3 fingers. Square root of 3 divided by 2. So cos 30 is square root of 3 divided by 2. Now cos 45 is, there are 2 fingers above 45, 1 and 2. So square root of 2 divided by 2, which gives us 2 can be written as square root of 2 multiplied with square root of 2. This square root 2, this square root 2 gets cancelled out. We get 1 by square root 2. Now we find cos 60. Let us see how many fingers are above 60. There's only 1 finger. Square root of 1 divided by 2. We get 1 by 2. Because square root of 1 is 1. Now cos 90. There isn't any finger above 90. So it's square root of 0 by 2, which gives us 0. Now let us find tan. For finding tan, we will flip our hand. We will flip our hand in this way and then we will assign the values. You have to remember this thing, that we will flip our hand. On the little finger we have 0 and on the thumb we have 90, but we will keep our hands flipped. So the tan, how to find tan values? Square root of fingers above divided by square root of fingers below. Now tan 0, let us see how many fingers are above. 0 fingers above. Now fingers below, there are 4 fingers, square root of 4. So we get 0. Now tan 30 fingers above, only 1 finger is above 30. And fingers below, how many are there? Square root of 3. Since there are 3 fingers below 30, 1, 2 and 3. So we get tan 30 is 1 by square root of 3. Tan 45 is, how many fingers are above? There are 2 fingers above and 2 fingers down. We get 1. Tan 45 is 1. And if we find tan 60, how many fingers are above? There are 3 fingers above and fingers below. Only 1. So we get tan 60 is root 3. Now we find tan 90. How many fingers are above? 4, and below 0. So something by 0 is not defined. So tan 90 is not defined. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe and press the bell icon so that when I upload more videos, you can see those videos. Bye bye. Have a great time.